Okay, everyone, I really hate Mikey for pulling the fire alarm to skip a test and for doing a lot of bad stuff. But the worst thing he ever did was pull the fire alarm to skip a test, and he is still in jail. He will be in jail for God knows how long. Maybe for a couple more years or for the rest of his life. You may never know. This is why you never ever pull the fire alarm to skip a test, a pop quiz, or a game. No. The fire alarm is only for emergencies. It is not meant to be played with. If you have your own fire alarm at home, then you can play with it. But if it's a fire alarm in a public building, you do not play with it for any reason. Because it is a very serious life safety device. And it saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why it should never ever be played with in a public building. Goodbye.